What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Ads and Deals, where we have all the ads, all the deals, and all the thrills that comes from saving you money. So we're going to go run through Napa Auto Parts August 1st to August 31st. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you share this video with someone that you know would benefit from all the thrills that come from all the deals. All right, so let's go ahead and go right through it now. I do not pretend to be someone who knows a ton of stuff about cars. I'm learning, I'm trying. But with that being said, just because I don't know everything about it doesn't mean that I should withhold the deals from you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what Napa Auto Parts has available. So we're gonna see here, save up to 28% off on Valvoline motor oils. So that's good. We have different $33.99 for the full synthetic. My car needs full synthetic, so I'm stuck in full synthetic. They also have synthetic high mile motor oil for $34.99. These are 5-quart bottles. So if you're changing your own oil and you don't want to spend the $200 to go to Jiffy Lube or, you know, the dealership, then here you go. I'm over exaggerating a little bit. I haven't had to pay $200 yet, but like $150, yeah. All right, so then they also have the $27.99 for the Max Life Synthetic Blend High Mileage Motor Oil right there. So let's keep this thing going down. We can see a pen light. 100 lumens, so it's pretty bright. It's decently bright. $15.99. You can say 20% off there. You can also get your choice, $59.99 each for the Craftsman Compact Task Light, or you can get the cordless job site fan. Craftsman. Now I actually have the I have a cordless fan that's made from cobalt, but it's actually one where you stick it on top of a bucket and you put water inside of the bucket, and then you go ahead and there's a tube that you put in there and it sprays out mist and air at the same time, you know, because it's a fan. And that thing is amazing on those hot days, especially when I used to live in Texas. Those hot days, my goodness, that fan came in handy. All right, you didn't ask for that story, so I'm just going to keep scrolling down and take a look at what else is available from Napa. So Napa has their own branded oil as well, full synthetic motor oil, $22.99, 5-quart. So that's much cheaper than the one that we saw up here, the Valvoline. So, you know, you keep that in mind as well. Also, you need to make sure that you are getting the right version, 10W, 30, or whatever kind you need as well. So, but I mean, that's cheaper though. That's all I'm gonna say. Napa has some good prices on their own brand of oil. Peak performance pays off. Get a $10 Mobil 1 Visa prepaid card when you buy 5 quarts of Mobil 1 motor oil. So that's how they're gonna try to compete, by giving you a you know, a gift card. Thanks for buying our product. Here's a little bit of money back. All right, you can also receive a $25 digital gift card when you purchase 10 quarts of Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic Motor Oil. So here's all the different Pennzoil prices as well. They have that the Platinum Full Synthetic is $29.99. Don't forget though, if you get enough, you can get the $25 digital gift card. So let's see what else we have available. Engine oil. So your vehicle crave approvals and specifications. So you can check out these special offers, just different. I've actually never seen this brand. Let me know in the comment section down below who has this type of oil. Like, do you love this brand? Is this a good brand? Is it Liquid Molly? I'm probably butchering the name. Let me know down below who has that brand, who loves that type of oil. So $10 prepaid Visa card, purchase a qualifying 5-quart jug of Royal Purple high performance motor oil. So it just looks like all the motor oils are trying to, you know, give you a little something else. So let's go on down and see what we have available. Funnels, you definitely need a funnel if you're changing your own oil. $8.99 for a 3-piece flow tool super trio funnel set right here. So that's really good. 3-jaw oil filter wrench, because that oil filters are hard to take off. I used to change my own oil way back in the day with my dad. So I understand how to do the process, and I know that oil filters can be a pain sometimes. All right, let's keep this thing going. Hot buys from Craftsman. That's what they say. I'm just taking it from them. $1.99 for the trade stack rolling tower. I love this thing. I have one exactly like it, so this is a really good buy right here. Then they also have a 12-volt battery charger plus engine starter. They have the $29 V20 cordless task light. So if you need special type of lighting, then you can use that. Then they also have $149 each for the Craftsman V20 lithium ion battery. It's a 2-pack though, so that's pretty good. Let's see what else we can see here. Just different like natural orange Pumice hand cleaner. So if you're working with all that oil, you definitely want to get that hand cleaner nice and gritty to clean out all the chemicals out of your hands. All right, let's go ahead and see what else we have available here. Just $4.99 for these different products here as well. Then they also have excellent anti-wear protection gear oils, $7.99. Like I said, I don't know everything about cars, so you know, I'm just trying to show you what they have available and show you the prices. So if you see something that you know you need, then go ahead and pause it. If you want to know how to change stuff, then you might want to see another YouTube video and understand how to change something in your car. Then come back to my video so you can see where the deals are, so you can have the thrills and save that money. All right, so let's keep things going down here. They also have the different car cleaning products. So if you want that ceramic shield around your car, $5.99 each for that. Then some different items as well. The ceramic wax, $14.99. Let me know if you like this. If you like the I always mispronounce, I'm gonna say McGuire's products for cleaning your car. Then of course we see some Napa brand anti-freeze or antifreeze. Sorry, got the country accent still. $14.99 for that. Then they also have this platinum diesel exhaust fluid, $21.99. And of course they have great savings on overstock clearance. So if you want to check out some of their clearance items, here's just a couple of things that they have available, up to 72% off. So that wraps it up for this Napa video, all month long, August 1st to August 31st. Let me know in the comment section down below, do you like getting the videos for these auto parts, so that you can kind of see what kind of auto deal sales they have available. So what spoke to me, you know, I love anything wireless and battery operated. I do like the fact that they had some deals on their batteries. If you don't have one of these, you got to get yourself one, because they're great. The rolling tower. Besides that, as always, you have a good day.